Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a straightforward guide on how to transfer BUSD from your Revolut account to your Phantom wallet in 2025. Whether you're new to crypto or just looking to move your funds securely, this tutorial will get you sorted in no time. BUSD is a stablecoin that's great for holding value without much volatility, and Phantom is a popular wallet for Solana-based assets, making this transfer super useful for your crypto journey. First things first, make sure you have everything set up. You'll need a Revolut account with BUSD in it. Check your crypto section to confirm your balance. Also, ensure your Phantom wallet is installed on your device and that you have some SOL or the necessary fees for any network transactions. In 2025, crypto transfers have gotten even smoother, but always double-check for the latest fees and network updates. Let's jump into the steps. Step 1. Open your Revolut app and navigate to the Crypto tab. Select your BUSD balance and choose the option to withdraw or transfer out. You'll need to specify the network. Go for BEP20 or whatever matches Phantom's compatibility, as Phantom primarily works with Solana, so you might need to bridge via a service like Wormhole for seamless transfer. Step 2. In your Phantom wallet, go to the Receive section and copy your wallet address. Make sure it's for the correct token. For BUSD, you may need to add it as a custom token if it's not already there. Paste this address back into Revolut when prompted. Step 3. Enter the amount of BUSD you want to transfer and review the details. Double-check for any gas fees or conversion rates. In 2025, these are usually low, but it's smart to minimize costs. Hit Confirm, and Revolut will process the transaction. This might take a few minutes to an hour, depending on network congestion. Once it's done, head back to Phantom and refresh your wallet. You should see your BUSD appear. If there's any issue, like a failed transfer, check your transaction history on both apps and reach out to support. And there you have it. That's how you transfer BUSD from Revolut to Phantom wallet in 2025. It's a simple process that keeps your assets moving securely. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more crypto tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there, and I'll see you in the next video.